That's how long attackers spent in the average corporate network in 2023 before anyone noticed them. 204 days. And that's the average. For some companies, it's longer. For Stack and Sterling Financial, it was longer. And here's what nobody talks about. Before the attackers walked through the door, they had been watching for weeks, studying the company, mapping them from outside, and they did all of this without touching a single system. This is from Zero to Breach, the attack files, and I'm CyberGrill, and this is where it starts. Stack and Sterling is a mid-sized fintech company. They have about 400 employees and they process about $2 billion in transactions every year. They have a security operations center, they have an IT team, and they believe they're secure. The threat group we're calling the Black Vulture Syndicate doesn't know that yet. They're not in Stack and Sterling systems. They haven't sent a single phishing email or touched a single firewall. In fact, they haven't done anything that Stack and Sterling system would flag as a security concern. They're just watching. Here's the thing about griot tradition. Before a griot ever spoke a word in the village, they listened. They learned the stories. They understood who the people were, what they valued, and where they were vulnerable. Only then did they open their mouths. The Black Vulture Syndicate operates the same way: patient, methodical, and invisible. They start with LinkedIn. They go to Stack and Sterling's company page. Within minutes, they can map out the organization: who's reporting to who, who's working for which department, how long they've worked there, and so forth. Then they go to job postings. Stack and Sterling is hiring for a cloud security engineer. The job description lists all the tools and technologies required for the job: Azure, Kubernetes, Splunk, and others. The company is advertising its technology stack to the entire world without realizing. Then they run Stack and Sterling's domain name through Shodan, not a web search engine, but a search engine for internet connected devices. Within minutes, they can find open services, open ports, and guess what? Some of them are vulnerable.